In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We're going to keep this simple and secure. I'll show you how to find the official Binance website using Google, then how to access your account menu and log out properly. This is helpful if you're using a shared device, moving between sessions, or just building good security habits. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Binance and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official listing that points to Binance.com. Before you click, take a second to check two things. First, that the domain is exactly Binance.com, and second, that your browser shows a secure connection with the padlock icon. Avoid sponsored results that look similar but aren't the real site, and never follow random links from emails or messages. Click through to the official Binance homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account controls at the top of the page. Look toward the upper right corner for your profile icon. It might display as a small avatar, a person silhouette, or sometimes your initial. Click that icon to open your account menu. If you're on a phone or tablet, you'll find the same profile icon in the app or mobile site. Just look for the person-shaped symbol or your avatar near the top. When the menu opens, find the option labeled Log Out. It may also be shown as Sign Out, depending on your region. Click Log Out and give it a moment to process. You should be returned to a page where you're no longer signed in. A quick way to confirm is to look for the Sign In or Register buttons at the top of the screen, and to make sure your balances or profile details are no longer visible. A couple of quick tips to finish strong. Always log out when you're done, especially on shared or public computers. Closing the tab isn't the same as signing out. If you used a public device, consider clearing the browser's history and cookies after you log out. And keep an eye on the website address each time you visit. Typing Binance.com directly into the address bar is a safe habit if you use it frequently. That's it. You searched for Binance on Google, clicked your profile icon on the official site, and selected Log Out. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and take care of your account safety every time you browse.